Greetings, YouTube. What I'm here demonstrating today is a very old, very rare, vintage tin helicopter toy from West Germany. I've never seen one like it. It's pretty cool. It's got a little wind up for the, it's kind of bent out of shape right there. But it's got a little wind for the propeller up on top, right there. You can adjust that a little. It needs to be adjusted. I didn't want to bend on it too much. I didn't want to accidentally break it, but so there's that. Then there, the wind here is what makes it travel around, and this is your radar, but it shows your radar here also. When the helicopter is going around, it shows a little radar screen here with the helicopter. It's pretty cool. This is a stop and go. It's on stop right now. That would be go. And then this lowers it and raises it. Pretty cool little vintage toy. Over here, if you can zoom into this a little, can you zoom into that? You see where it says right here where it says West Germany? Yeah. Okay, so it was made in West Germany. And then if you look right here, you'll see it says Caravelle, the different planes, Caravelle, Fairchild, Lockheed, Bristol, Britannia, Vanguard, and then Boeing 707 with little pictures of each. Then on the other side, it's got the pretty much the same little planes again in Bristol, Britannia, Fairchild, Caravelle, Douglas DC-8, Comet, and then Convair 880. So anyway, pretty cool. I'm not gonna, nothing really on the bottom. All right, let's give it a little wind up and see how she works. So it's going to want to take off on me. I'll have it in the opposition, but when you wind it up all the way, it seems to want to take off. It doesn't want to hold it back. So first I'll try to get these little propeller wings so they'll end up going. No. Yeah, sure. Okay. Don't want to overwind it because I don't really want to break it. Okay. And then get the radar, cameraman. Alright, you can get the whole thing. Pretty cool little vintage toy. I'll give it another little wind. I had it on stop. And you can raise it or lower it. Bring it in for a landing. Let's see if I can do that. Alright, and stop it. There we go. Can we make it go again? Come on, you gonna go? You got enough juice? If I wind it, it will. And stop. There we go. Alright, and that's pretty much it. It's an old vintage toy. Happy bidding.